this is Shad with Birds and Bees Motor Parts. Just making another video of the car before I put it away. 1971 Road Runner. Out for a little winter drive today. Checking out how the roads are. Roads are fine. Road Runner doesn't handle very well though. Put it back into storage here. It's a nice day to be out enjoying the sun. Working on my 1971 Road Runner project car. Putting it away for a little while until next time. Oops. There we go. And we're backing up. We're moving backing into the bird cave. And there we go. Back into your little nest. There we go. That's all we got going on for today. 1971 Road Runner. Thanks for joining me on Birds and Bees Motor Parts. Have a great day.